Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another banger for you guys in this video. There is a new update that is taking place for Tonic. We just got some recent news, some hot breaking news for Tonic. If you're interested in this, guys, you're part of the Tonic fam and the Crow fam. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell on the channel. 1,560 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers and support my Tonic playlist as well right here. You can check out all these Tonic videos for valuable information you won't get anywhere else. Now, as you guys can see, Tonic, 29,890 people on the watch list for Tonic now, almost at 30,000. The community keeps growing, keeps getting stronger, and the team is still working and developing throughout these market conditions. That is why we're having another green day on Tonic, up 5%, $18,134,000 in market cap, and still a great entry, because if you zoom out, if you take a look and you zoom out, we are barely scratching the surface of the potential gains you could get on Tonic in the future. $351,000 in 24-hour trade volume, up 31%, guys. Tonic is a banger. Tonic is gonna crush it. One of the top projects on the Kronos ecosystem as Crow develops. Crypto.com goes through its mass adoption phase. People will look into Tonic to be the banking ecosystem of crypto. Institutions, the global elites, the top wealthiest people will use Tonic in the future for its DeFi services. Now, if we hop over to the Tectonic Twitter, right here, first tweet we got, already liked and retweet, guys. We got the eye emoji. Something's going down. Something is going down from the team dashboard. If you go to the UI, you see dashboard DeFi pool for us on screen. New updates, new breaking news. It's going down for Tonic. It is absolutely going down. And Tonic fam, I hope you guys are ready for that rocket ship. I know I'm ready. Seatbelts buckled in. We're gonna see this project absolutely explode. And like I said, you can see the community is growing. 33,000 views for this tweet, guys. Shout outs to Elon for updating where you can see how many views a tweet got. That is very bullish, right? 33,000 views is very bullish for a tweet. 390 likes, 95 retweets. Super active community. From Geron Nunes, it's probably for the Crow lending pool guys from Vino. So they're already implementing their partnership and the use case. Make some noise from King T, from Eyebrow, explosion of the volcano. The volcano is absolutely going off. Shango, Tectonic, Marine, Veteran, Moon, Rocket Ships. Hey, from Teabagging.crow. Very funny name, by the way. When is DeFi available? Very soon, my friend. Oh man, Giovanni with a charting. That's what I said. We made the move up. We had the correction. We held the floor. Then we accumulated, and we're starting to make another move up once again. From Bobby, Sheeb.nft, clapping emojis. From Bruce, Lego. From Bad Bunny, what does it mean? It means bullish things are about to happen. That's what it means. Man, it's absolutely insane. Possible tech from Dr. Crypto. Possible Tectonic DeFi stake pool run by someone else or by running their own stake pool or DeFi lending pool. Very interesting stuff, guys. Are you guys excited for the new utility that's about to be unveiled for Tonic? I'm telling you guys, the team keeps building, developing, pushing the project forward. And I could see from every video I've made on Tonic, the community keeps growing. That's what you love to see in a project. From Cura Inner Circle, we have crypto gainers in the last 7 days, and Tectonic right up there. They had a few projects that were making a lot of noise this week. Bonk was one of them. Gala was one of them as well. And Tectonic is right up there making noise with these projects, guys. And I'm telling you, if this project right here, this meme coin bonk, could get to hundreds of millions of market cap in a bear market, just imagine what Tectonic will do in the future, guys. Come on. Come on. We ain't letting a meme coin defeat us when it comes to gains, okay? We not. NRG side them on. If you're not already doing so, put your coins to work while the markets are quiet and stake in the Crow DeFi app. Can withdraw anytime and big rewards for a little effort. And right here we have Tonic and a VVS Crow pool as well. 22% APR in that pool. DeFi is the future. DeFi is the future of finance as we know it, as the financial ecosystem as we know it, guys. So nice tip from us, NRG guys. So keep a lookout for that. Lordy Crypto tagged me into this. Day 8 Tectonic is on the rise. The stock has gained 10% in the past 24 hours. Keep an eye on this one. And Lordy tagged me to this. We are super bullish on this project. This project is being super bullish in the bear. I know people laugh at me when I say beer market because it sounds like I'm talking about drinking beer, right? But Tectonic is looking very bullish, guys. Look at the 7-day. It's literally, on a bull trend, guys. That is very great to see. Absolutely great to see. From Leon, Tonic on a bull run. Literally just said that. From Oscar Ramos, Crow, Tectonic, Crow fam. And you guys can see breaking out of this triangle, making another move to the upside, man. Hey, it's about to go down, man. It's about to go down. From Tectonians, uh-oh. Uh-oh. DeFi pool, uh-oh. From Charter X update, Tonic, the good part of all this is that we are standing in the middle of a transition. We are starting to break the large side of major bearish Pythagorean triangulation ergo resistance. There's one more break, but it would be between August and September. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we are breaking through these resistances, which is very great to see. Shout outs to Charter X for this tweet. Community is very active, being super engaged, and you love to see that. From SAG, I feel a Tonic 10,000x soon. Hashtag Tectonic. I won't rule it out. 10,000x is a bit much though. But the gains will definitely, play out in the future. Now, manage your risk always, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. But it's looking like the gains and the potential for Tonic is showing itself, man. You could see it. You can see it taking place right now. From Ray, Tonic is unstoppable, and I do agree. From Jason Evans, my Tonic bag has damn near doubled in the value in the last couple weeks. Mighty tempting to cash it all out, but I know it's way too early. Smart man, and that would be a mistake. I'm in it for the long haul. Can't wait to test out this new DeFi pool. Hey, a lot of people are going to get into that, which is great to see. Now, I know a lot of people, when they had the 2x move, 100% move, a lot of people took profits, but I bet you they were shocked that Tonic literally popped back to the upside and they FOMO back in. It was like, whoa, I took profits, but it's already back up. This is why when it comes to projects like short-term moves, they don't really matter in the long run, because like I said, when you zoom out, this move was basically nothing compared to what could happen in the future, right? So Tonic fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate the support on all these videos. Keep commenting, liking, it really helps out. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. If you're new to the project, take a look, research, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.